We've been in this space over 65 years, so that level of experience is unrivaled and second to none. And that gives us the best possible client outcomes for products and commercialisation. It's a very complex industry that we operate in, and certainly it's not an easy industry to enter, and therefore the experience that we can build on for that 65 years is truly worth something. We invented the pMDI, the pressurized metered dose inhaler, and launched it in 1956. So we were the innovator in the space. That was fine for a number of years, but then as part of the Montreal Protocol that was signed in 1987, which effectively banned CFCs from production, meant that we had to innovate on our current portfolio. And Kindeva was the first to market with a CFC-free inhaler in 1996, and we launched a number of different products through the 90s. As we look forward, we're on the cusp of another transition in the market, where the current propellants are going to be phased out over a period of time. And the experience and innovation that we've shown as we've navigated through all these inflection points within the industry sets us up for a really good future. We're not just about developing and manufacturing innovative and new products, we're also active in the generic space as well. We created and helped launch the first bioequivalent version of GSK's Serotype product, and we followed that very recently with a generic version of AstraZeneca's Symbicort product. We're on the edge of another transition in the market as legislation is beginning to phase out the current range of propellants, and we're very much at the vanguard of innovating and developing new versions of existing therapies to meet client and legislative sustainability goals. This isn't just about sustainability. Another important aspect of this is patient choice and ensuring that patients have access to the medicines that they prefer. And drawing on Kindeva's 65 years plus of experience in both developing new products and generic products, we feel we're best positioned to deliver the best client outcomes and the best patient outcomes as we move through transition. We're very much focused on the future of our industry and reformulating and redeveloping the products into more sustainable versions, meets the legislative requirements for the industry, but more importantly, makes sure that patients have access to the medicines that they require.